Teplin of the Home Edit would say, pass the candy, because it is time for the Home Edit collection. Are you ready? I am so excited. I just found out that the latest Home Edit collection items are at Walmart. And for those of you who shop online, if you live within 9 miles of a Walmart, they will do next day shipping for free. So I'm headed into the store. I'm going to show you the latest in all of their products. There are new bamboo products. There are turntables. I am so excited. I cannot describe it. Literally going to feel like a kid in a candy store. Let's go. I'm here. Check it out. I'm so excited. I'm going to channel my inner Joanna, maybe get a headband. Let's do this thing. I'm like one big kid. All right, let me give you a tour. We have these medium open front bins. I am a big fan of these because then you can actually see what is inside of them. There are also medium bins like this. Loving the bamboo. Keep coming with me down to the acrylic storage. I love these. There are bento boxes. What? Here's my biggest question. Can I get a bag of chips and one of each and still have room in my cart? Let's see. It's like a game of Tetris, really. And all before the song ended, too. I do hate to be the one to report. They're not all made equally. Stick around for my shopping tips and tricks. I am not leaving until I make sure that I've gotten it all. Also, don't be misled. There are other sections where I see some up there. I see some bamboo medium-sized bins there, and I saw some bamboo medium-sized bins on the other side too. Over with, well, some other traditional organizing solutions. I think I have enough, guys. I think I might have enough. Proof that you have to look everywhere. Don't snooze, my friends. Snooze, you'll lose. I don't need it, but I'm going to see how I might be able to use it. Maybe in my bathroom drawer. Let's experiment. You got them all? Got them all, guys. All right, the last stop is going to be in the office supplies. I saw that there was something in particular for that section, so let's take a look. You guys, I literally got the last one. That was a bit much. Shopping tips and tricks. If shopping in-store, examine the bamboo products carefully for any visible flaws or defects. There are some pieces coming apart at the seams, splintering at the top of the bamboo bins, or even looking slightly warped. When shopping online, you can narrow your search results by navigating to Home Storage and Organization, then the Home Edit collection at Walmart, then filter by Recommended Room. This is under Shop All, the Home Edit. If browsing online, record the aisle number so that when you're shopping in the store, it is much easier to instantly go to that section. Take inspiration from the Home Edit's use and styling of their products. Look at the Home Edit packaging stickers on each product. I also saw on the website they have like personal care products that you would have in the bathroom, and then they're just available to access quickly. I've also seen the low-rise one on their website or on the Walmart website. You can see that they're using things like condiments in it. So perhaps it's a whole bunch of salad dressings to choose from or vinaigrettes or whatever, and then you can just spin and grab. scan the Home Edits Instagram for use cases, scroll through the Home Edits blog posts for ideas, or check out the Home Edits books for more eye candy. I loved the latest book so much. I kind of want to go back and reread it. In addition to the Home Edit Bamboo collection, in January, these new food canisters hit Walmart.com and store shelves too. As we come into the pantry, you'll see that I have these near floor to ceiling shelves and it wraps around in a U shape. But I want to be very intentional with the use of the space, especially considering my extreme declutter that I just went through. You'll have to see the video to truly get the idea, but essentially I drastically reduced a lot of our possessions in this pantry. So you can see some pantry goods right here, but this is largely because I transferred nearly everything that we had remaining over to this side so that when you walk in, you actually have a nice clean palette, and that's where I'm going to be even more intentional with what we have left. Continuing around, this is that main back wall, and it is met on either side by some pretty busy shelves, whether it's consumable goods as seen over here, or some party essentials and things like that on the back wall there. I do have some things. I definitely have some things. But I want this to seem more like a self-service station down the back. And we already do have some intentional touches, such as doing a built-in spice rack here at the entrance of the pantry. So this makes it very convenient to just grab an item and go to cook with that. And then right around the back, I have canned goods. So there's a can rack back here, and I've made special videos just for those two as well, just to show you the organizing. But this, let me just say, this is not the long-term plan. So I just put the items in, but now that I'm back with all my Home Edit collection goods, I am thrilled to get started. I can't contain my excitement, truly. I'm like trying to be an adult about it, but adults can get excited about organizing supplies, right? Because I do. Okay, anyway, enough nerding out about that. Let's take a look at what we have and what we can do with it. I spent about $400 on these items, and I have enough to organize my pantry, my laundry room, my primary bathroom, and more. If you want to see my pantry edit, laundry edit, and bathroom edit, to use phrases from the Home Edit, make sure you subscribe and get notifications. You're due to see satisfying before and after makeover clips because I'm a border hoarder using tried and true systems and products to help me climb out of the chaos. In the next video, I'm going to review brand new 2023 items from the Home Edit collection, as well as many items from the initial collection released last January. While I review each item, I'm going to share ways I'm putting them to great use in my own home and options for how you can do it in yours. This next video will be one you're sure to love. I can even go through the ones that are exclusive to Walmart. Shall we? I'm going to review brand new 2023 items from the Home Edit collection.